What's up, guys? Welcome back to...
Guys. Ayun.
Hey guys!
Taton.
Ano? Kulit-kulit eh!
Taton.
Suklay daw. Okay na? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, susubukan natin yung longevity ng Revlon Colorstay.
So,
First,
okay.
mag-a-apply tayo ng sunscreen. I'm using this one. Andre!
Nope!
Ang kulit ng baby brother mo eh.
Nope! Nope!
Ew.
Apply na natin itong Revlon Colorstay sa ating face.
Oh, hell no!
Wait, no, you're a boy. This is not for you.
No, what's the score?
No, Andre.
Saya? Saya naman po?
Next, I'll be using Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. Next, I'll be using Nichido Brow Pencil, dark brown.
Ba? Jama? Sa papa? Yes.
Okay.
Ba?
I love you.
Bye-bye. Ay, saan pajama ko.
Saan pajama mo?
Pajama.
Yan, pajama. Next, I'll be using the Revlon Colorstay pressed powder.
Ma! Sajama? 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 Sama? A square? 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 Number square.
Andre, stop doing that. Mainit. Next, magka-curlash na tayo. Ganito to. And for the mascara, I'll be using the Lash Paradise ng L'Oreal. Wait lang na. Wait lang.
Second.
For my blush on, I'll be using the BLK All Day Cheek and Lip Tint. And then for my lips, ito pa rin yung gagamitin ko, yung All Day Cheek and Lip Tint ng BLK.
Okay. Sabon. Like and subscribe.
So guys, ito na siya. Tapos na ang ating makeup. Magmo-mall muna kami. And then later, pagbalik ko, i-check ko ulit ang aking face. So, ang oras ngayon is 4:39 in the afternoon. Okay guys, see you later! So guys, ayun, kakauwi lang namin. Mag-video update muna tayo. It's now 7:56 in the evening. Okay. Ang napapansin ko guys, the foundation is starting to look cakey and patchy. Kasi maybe dry din kasi yung face ko. Pag tinignan nyo, nag-crease na rin siya sa may forehead banda. nagiging visible na yung patchy skin ko. Kasi nga, di ba, I have a dry skin. Pero sa usapang longevity naman siya, guys. Okay siya. Until now, for me, parehas pa rin yung coverage niya. So, guys, dito na lang nagtatapos yung ating vlog for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And if yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thank you, guys. God bless. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Show them your new car. That's not a car, mommy. It's a truck.